Mr. Peters, back in Indiana, when we used to do the jerking, it was a real deal. Look at the smoke. The smoke, man, is smelling real good. The smoke is really, 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 really smelling good. Look at that smoke. Yes, jerk chicken time. I just can't wait to taste piece of that Jamaican jerk. But Mr. Peters over here, he's the real top of the top chef. But guess what? I'm the top of the top chef too. Yeah, man. I'm the top of the top chef too. See me? Look at that smoke, man. Look at that smoke.
So it's like you come to know.
Like always the moment and it's time to jerk chicken. Look at that smoke, man. That's smoke. Come on now, Mr. Peters. Why you putting your hand on the hot grill? You wanna be burned? Look at that chicken. Yeah. It was in the oven preheating. Yeah, and it's gonna be on top. Woohoo! This is what I like. Just me. Real yachty. Jamaica we come from. We know of a jerk chicken. Pan the river. Pan the bank. Pick out the foot fire and blow no. Oh, And we got the liquor over here, so yeah, man. Sort out. Smoke smells really nice.